Welcome to a new YouTube video. Today I wanted to show you this. This is called the chord wheel, as the name implies at the top. Now what is the chord wheel? Well, first of all I want to point out there's obviously three rings: the inner ring, the middle ring and the outer ring. Now the inner ring represents major chords. The middle ring represents minor chords and the outer ring represents diminished. If we talked about the key of C, the scale of C, and what chords will play from that scale, we would look back where we were previously, there on a lesson. I'll come back to the chord wheel in a minute. I wrote out C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then I showed the 1, 4, 5, which were the major chords in that scale. And then I expressed here, I showed how this was the next one. The second one was a minor, that's a minor, that's a minor, that's a diminished. So basically we've got the root here, the subdominant, the dominant and the relative minor chord. Anyway, the key of C major, the 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5 chords, or the 3-chord trick, also known as a family group, that sound good together. There are books made just using these chords 1, 4, 5. So in the key of C, this C scale, you can make a song out of playing chords, just the C chord, F chord and G chord. You might change it into a G7 that resolves back to want to come back to C. And then you could throw these in, that one mainly, these very rarely and that very rarely. To have to write them out can be a bit long-winded, and that's what this chord wheel is all about. So if you've got your hands on this, what you've got there, hang on. What we've got here is the key of C. Now this outer ring here, I don't know if you can see this, this turns. Okay, now you'll note here that there's a shape, it's like a diamond shape, sorry, a triangle shape, there. Goes round like this. Now as I turn it, the word we need to make note of is this one, the key. So we want the key of C. So in the key of C, like I wrote on the board, the 1, the 4 and the 5 are here. These are the major ones, that family of chords I was telling you about. Play the root C, then F, then G, or turn it into a G7, and it resolves back to the C. You can make a song just out of them there, out of these major chords. Now the next ring, as I spoke about, has the minor chords. The relative minor, it's known as relative minor, is the A minor, so you could play that within these three as well. That sounds okay. Them much less, and that very rarely. So to transpose or change from that C scale to another scale, to fit with somebody's pitch of voice, say, we can turn that and now point the key to key of G. Okay, so the 1, 4, 5 in the key of G, you'll strum your G, you'll strum your C for your 4th chord and strum your D for your 5th chord. Family of chords sound good together, they're them three. You can make a song out of them. You could use the relative minor, E minor, rarely with these. So as you can see, we've gone from key of C, we've transposed to the key of G. Let's choose another scale. Let's choose the F. So in the key of F, we can strum the F for the 1st chord, we can strum the B flat for the 4th, and strum the C chord for the 5th. Again, the 3-chord trick, the family of chords there, them three, you can make a song out of them. Relative minor, D minor, the other ones rarely played. So I hope that helps. This would save, if you bought this, it saves you writing all this out and working out this tone, semitone structure when you start getting round to these. very useful. I would highly recommend this. It's just a quick guide. Get your guitar out, point to the key of C, strum the C, strum the F, strum the G. See how they sound. Sound great. That G will want to come back to the C. Throw in the A minor, strum them 4 chords. So, actions speak louder than words. Put that there. Right, I'm just going to put an E chord on. Normally you put an E chord like this, but I want you to change your fingers over. E, if we move it all up one, we've got an F. Move it up another one, F sharp, G. Okay, G is the one I want to talk about. So let's go into the key scale of G. I've moved it round, so we're now pointing at the G there. 1, we've got C and D. Now note the pattern. I'm going to move my fingers here. This is a G major bar chord. That's the 1 position. If I move it down there, what I'm doing is I'm actually covering them strings there with that little finger. So we've got G, C. If I move them up 2, I've got the D. So I've got G, C, D. G, C, D, the 1, 4, 5. Okay? So you can make any song out of that. So G, C, D. Now what's important here, this particular pattern where I'm moving, I'm going from there, 1, 4, 5. Now you can do that 1, 4, 5 at any position, choosing the 6th string as the key. Okay, what I mean by that is, let's choose the F. Okay, let's move to the F there. So I'm pointing at F, I've got a B flat and C, so 1, 4, 5. We've got E there, move them all at 1, we've got the F. Okay, so we've got F there, 1, 4, 5. That's because I named it after the 6th string position there. We could do there, F sharp. 1, 4, 5. We can again there, so E, F, F sharp, G. There, G. We just did that one. G, 1, 4, 5. All the way we can do this. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. All the way up. What you're doing there is you're changing the scale, you're changing the key. You're doing the 1, 4, 5. So let's go for this G again. Oh, let's go for an A, shall we? So that was a key of A. Let's turn it around for the A. There, you'll note there. So we've got A, D and E flat. Let's change it to one that's a bit more simplified again, just so it expresses it better. So we've got the G there. We could just do G there, G, C and D. Of course, on electric guitar, it lends itself better to bar chords. So we've got G, C, D. So 1, 4, 5, resolve to the 1. So 1, 4, you can change that to a D7. Let's go for the F. Change it around to the F there. So we've got F, B flat, C. Might throw in a D minor too, shall we? So F,